Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Stranger Things 5 episodes. Fun for review. Millie Bobby Brown owns it as 11 and the core group's final battle with Pequena begins. Buckle up as Stranger Things 5 is finally here to take you on one last adventure. Read on to know how Eleven and her friends plan to end Pequena in this final season by Netra Bird, updated on 27 November 2025. Name Stranger Things 5 director Matt and Troy Schiffer, Frank Darabont cast Millie Bobby Brown, David Harbour, Finn Wolfhard, Noah Schnapp, Gaten Matrazo, Caleb MC Leofin, Sadie Singh, Winona Ryder, Natalia Dyer, Charlie Hayden, Joey McCary, Maya Havoc, Craig Gilman, Breha Ferguson, Cara Buono, and Jamie Campbell Bower. Writer Matt and Rose Duffer. Plot Stranger Things season 5 picks up in fall 1987, right after the catastrophic events of season 4. The town of Hawkins is still reeling as it is hit by the opening of the rift and under pressure from the government versus the core group led by Eleven portrayed by Millie Bobby Brown. Will Bearer is played by Noah Sechlamp, Finn Wolfhard as Mike Heater, Dustin Henderson played by Gaten Madrazo, Caleb MC Laughlin as Lucius Sinclair, and Max Mayfield portrayed by Sadie Singh has the most intimidating mission, which is to find and kill Vikena. However, Vikena has vanished and his plans remain unknown. Meanwhile, Hawkins is under a military quarantine and the authorities intensify their search for Eleven, forcing her into hiding. The rising tension, uncertainty, and looming threat set the stage for a darker, more urgent fight than anything the group has faced before. Disclaimer: this article contains spoilers but works for Stranger Things 5. The government-led military lockdown, horror elements, and growing paranoia give the season a noticeable darker atmosphere. What works best for the series this time around are the broken friendships and the weight of the lives lost, both of which add real depth and emotional maturity to the characters. These relationships, which are strained, fractured, and in some cases uh, irrevocable change create a sense of vulnerability that feels more intense than in previous seasons. The rift between Hawkins and the Upside Down are there to set the stage for the merging of words which possible hints at a larger transformation of resolution in the upcoming episodes. The first four episodes continue to embrace the strong 1980s roots with the spotlight on the original fan group while maintaining the supernatural tone that has always defined the heart of Stranger Things. What does not work for Stranger Things 5? That said, you will also come across civil laws, and in the first four episodes, the suspense surrounding the fate of Eleven and her friends, along with the uncertainty of Vikina's survival at time, makes the storyline feel horrid and overwhelming. Certain characters are get lost in the choice of the heavy, layered native narrative, and this deep complexity occasionally stalls the overall intensity. As season 5 is being released in three parts, with volume 1 on 26 November, volume 2 on 25 December, and the final on 31st December, there is a high chance that momentum might suffer. A major cliffhanger followed by long waits has the potential to dilute the impact, disrupt the flow, and lessen the urgency of the story. Acting performances in Stranger Things 5. The actors right from these recent members to the supporting cast tried their best to carry the emotional weight of the series. The trauma, loss, and fear are commendable. The group dynamics feel lived in with the weirdness of growing up, the heaviness of responsibility, and the lingering guilt from the past. This gives their performances more gravity than the early season kids being kids by. Millie Bobby Brown played her role of Eleven with the same great strength that she has shown since season 1 to now. Her acting has matured with the same intensity as her journey through the various seasons. Her journey goes beyond power as Eleven is named toward expectance, a willingness to confront her own fears, and an understanding of the sacrifices when she goes into hiding apart from fighting to defeat a monster. She's also trying to protect the people who shaped her. Side characters and returning favorites benefit from the high stakes as their friendships feel more fragile, yet deeper, while the relationships seem to get more complicated, the moral dilemma, dilemmas become more real. The fear, doubt, loyalty, and love are reflected in the most admirable manner through their performances. Final verdict of Stranger Things 5. The first four episodes of Stranger Things 5, Season 5 deliver a compelling, moody, and emotionally charged start to what promises to be the show's final and biggest chapter. By combining high stakes, personal trauma, mythological weight, and mature character dynamics, the season sets a tone that feels worthy of a final. Yes, there are risks. The pressure to wrap up a sprawling story behind the fate of Hawkins and the Upside Down is huge. The supply release format might hamper the intensity, and with so many threads, there is always the danger of a rushed ending. But for now, Stranger Things 5 seems to be moving toward a meaningful end. If the creators manage to balance horror, nostalgia, emotions, and characters, season 5 has the potential to be a gratifying, powerful, and bittersweet farewell to a show that has had a cross-generational cultural impact. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in the article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Pinkvilla. No statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, or malign any individual or entity. Also read Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 1 India release date, streaming time, runtimes, and episodes titles revealed. Credits PC Netflix. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.